The Volkswagen ID.7 marks a groundbreaking addition to the brand's electric vehicle lineup. Being the first EV from Volkswagen in the upper mid-sized class, the ID.7 combines cutting-edge technology and design to ensure impressive performance and efficiency. With a range of up to 700 kilometers as per WLTP, the ID.7 boasts an aerodynamic design that plays a significant role in achieving this remarkable range. The aerodynamics of the ID.7 are a result of meticulous attention to design. The vehicle's basic form, with a low drag coefficient of 0.23, is the outcome of close collaboration between the design and development teams. The ID.7's body shape accounts for about 50% of its drag coefficient. The wheels and tires influence around 30%, the underfloor accounts for 10%, and functional openings another 10%. With its low front end and coupe-like roofline, the ID.7 optimizes airflow. During the early phases of development, extensive efforts were dedicated to refining the exterior design, underbody, wheels, and other minor aspects. The ultimate goal was to optimize the aerodynamics of the vehicle. This required close collaboration between developers and designers, employing an iterative process consisting of countless computer simulations and wind tunnel tests. One of the notable features of the ID.7's aerodynamics is its almost entirely enclosed underbody. It is supplemented by new wheel spoilers that efficiently guide air along the wheels under the vehicle. The air curtains on the sides of the front bumper direct air around the front end with minimal losses. The flared side sills protect the underbody from air intrusion and shield the rear tires. Particular attention was paid to the design of the wheels, as they contribute more to the aerodynamics in electric vehicles. The wheel rims were designed with a primary focus on aerodynamics while also considering the cooling requirements of the brakes. The resulting design is more closed, which enhances aerodynamic properties. Furthermore, flow simulations were utilized during the tire design phase. In addition to the wheels, functional openings at the front were critical to the holistic aerodynamic development process. In the ID.7, airflow is actively managed by a radiator roller blind to minimize drag. This roller blind only opens when cooling of the power units and battery is necessary. At the rear, the tailgate shape, diffuser, and side separation edges are designed for aerodynamic efficiency. Throughout the initial year of development, the focus was mainly on computer simulations. The design team provided CAD data, which was then used by powerful processors to calculate airflow values for various components including the door handles and mirrors. The ID.7 went into the wind tunnel for testing only when the design was considered stable. Using clay models of the ID.7, the team tested various components in the wind tunnel. Adjustments were made with millimeter precision. This rigorous process allowed the team to optimize several elements such as the exterior mirrors and achieve a drag coefficient of 0.23, which is the best in the Volkswagen ID family. When it comes to performance, the ID.7 is equipped with a new, highly efficient drive motor that delivers 286 horsepower, making it the most powerful electric drive in the ID series. Developed in partnership with Volkswagen Group components, this drive is optimized for energy consumption and allows for impressive WLTP ranges of up to 700 kilometers and charging capacities of around 200 kilowatts. The ID.7 also introduces a new operating and display concept that significantly improves user experience. The standard equipment includes a 38-centimeter infotainment screen, augmented reality head-up display, and an advanced air conditioning operating system. The vehicle also features luxurious options such as massage seats and an electronically dimmable panoramic sunroof, which are usually found in premium-class vehicles. Furthermore, the ID.7 includes cutting-edge driving assistance systems. Travel Assist with swarm data can take over lateral and longitudinal control of the vehicle as needed. It also supports assisted lane changing on multi-lane highways at speeds above 90 kilometers per hour. For parking, the ID.7 can perform assisted maneuvers in various ways, including parking with a memory function over a distance of up to 50 meters. The ID.7 is part of Volkswagen's accelerated electric offensive, which includes the launch of 10 new electric models by 2026. The ID.7 will be manufactured in the Volkswagen plant in Emden, Germany, for the European and North American markets, while in China, it will be produced locally. As Volkswagen continues to expand its electric vehicle offerings, the ID.7 stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation and sustainability. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.